possession, bloodlines and confessions, commas on a slow progression. I've got a new fixation, virtual intoxication, secrets and past transgressions, calm and slow resurrection. You wanna break me, oh no, but I'm the poison you can't let go. You wanna keep me close, oh no. You raise my face and I'm feeling your soul. There's no use fighting. There's no use fighting. Oh no, I'm one of 1,000 ways to go. It's tearing you apart with these. You say you're fine, but I see through. You look lost in all your needs. You know it's true. Oh, I'm the static, this ain't your calls. The silence creeping through your walls. A memory you can't unbind. The glitch inside your peace of mind. A magic code you can't erase. You're of the shadow you cannot face.
Anywhere you wanna go, anything you need to know, all the best in life, I wanna get it for you. Baby, I just feel so fine, I imagine that you're mine. You're my world, you're gold, I only want to protect you. Whatever I want, I get, I want shooting stars. Whatever I need, I have when I'm with you. Follow me inside, outside, through the stratosphere. The moon is shining for you. It knows that I adore you. Suddenly all the sadness will just slip away, and you will see what I mean if you just follow me in my dreams. I was searching everywhere.
You say I make you crazy just to look at you, and I drive you mad with everything that I do. But it's not as though I really have to try. You're just susceptible to my charms like any other guy. But to tell the truth, you're not the only one to face this test. I feel your reaction to my tease. In the end, it's no use. You're gonna find that I'm a mess, dripping down to my knees. So lick it up, baby. Don't waste a drop if you can.
engines roar, shadows rise. Full moons in the sky, midnight creeps, blacked out streets. Let the sparks fly, masked faces, deadly chase. Hear that engine hum, tires scream, devil's dream. The race has just begun, rev it up, feel the burn. Shadows stretch and turn, ghosts behind, speed ahead. No way to return. The devil's drift, we own the night. Skulls and smoke, burning bright. Phantom dance and flashing lights. On the edge, we grip so tight. It's the devil's drift tonight. Rev it up, we take flight. We take flight. Creeping low, fog rolls thick. Streetlights start to flick. Bats in the dark, lurking quick. Feeling every kick. Lost in sound, engine loud. We're tearing through the mist. Streetlights flash, burning fast. The reapers in the twist. Feel the pulse, hearts on fire. Speed feeds the desire. Chasing shadows, drifting higher. Tired, screaming wire.
Can feel my face, I've lost the ground. I find it pretty hard to come around. Am I high or am I cold? In this state I could never have told. Top or not, I'm gonna be spoiled on the wildest ride that I ever rode. No question, no asking why. I feel good, I'm feeling alright.
El castillo de Segura de la Sierra, ubicado en la provincia de Jaén, es una fortaleza de gran importancia histórica y arquitectónica, situada en un enclave estratégico en lo alto de una colina que domina el valle del Guadalimar. Aunque sus cimientos datan de la época ibera y romana, el castillo adquirió su forma actual durante la dominación árabe, específicamente bajo el mandato almohade en el siglo XII. Ser conquistado por las tropas de Fernando III en el siglo XIII, fue cedido a la Orden de Santiago, que lo utilizó como una base militar y administrativa en la región. Cuenta una leyenda que, cuando los musulmanes supieron que iban a perder el castillo durante la Reconquista, escondieron un gran tesoro en las inmediaciones, enterrado en túneles secretos bajo la fortaleza. Aunque nunca se ha encontrado, la historia sigue despertando la curiosidad de aventureros y exploradores. El famoso poeta y caballero Jorge Manrique, autor de las célebres coplas por la muerte de su padre, estuvo vinculado al castillo debido a la relación de su familia con la Orden de Santiago. Se dice que, en su juventud, Jorge Manrique encontró inspiración en la imponente belleza del paisaje que rodea al castillo.
We